So today has suddenly gone wrong in multiple ways. Literally right as I was hopping on the bike, like multiple things happened at once, which sucks. I was gonna see if I needed gas, but I literally can't. Hold on, let me find neutral. I literally can't open up the gas tank. I kept twisting, and I did it so much that I bent the key. So now the key to my bike is like twisted because I turned too hard apparently. Nice spoiler. But yeah, I just bent the key. The guy that was supposed to buy a vehicle for me today, all of a sudden can't. Day of, how it always goes. He was super interested in wanting it, now all of a sudden he can't get it. Or they got something else, sorry. Fuck it, I'm going this way, I'm pissed off. So there's that. It's been a rough day so far. There's another air warning going on. Call me Creed, because I don't care about the quality. That was lame, sorry. I'm probably going to cut that one out. I should. Who knows? But yeah, wow, okay. So this is what wind feels like on your face. I don't have a beard anymore, so now this feels different. But yeah, today's not the best right now. Hopefully something goes well on this ride. Hopefully I don't run out of gas, because I apparently can't get any. I was hoping that riding around for a little bit might like warm something up and loosen it, but I guess I'm gonna find out. Which means I'm gonna have to stay close to the gas stations. Well, I'm gonna have to stay close to home, because gas stations don't matter if I can't open the darn thing. It's just one of those days, you know. I'm just very annoyed right now. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do for this video, which sucks because I'm starting to run out of well, I did run out of videos. I mean, so like this one today's July 18th. You're probably gonna see this July 19th. At least if you watch it like the day it gets uploaded. So for right now, at least, there's not gonna be a long gap from the time I record the video to the time you see it. I'm gone for at least 2 weeks next month of training, so I'm gonna have to get a bunch of videos recorded for then. There's no way I want a 2-week gap. I don't want any gap at all for you guys. I want to have as many videos up as I can. But it's also borderline impossible to upload every day when, one, your channel completely depends on the weather, and two, like, oh hello, just uploading every single day on YouTube in general is hard, because your content is all going to be very similar and it's going to get boring. So like, to upload consistently good videos, you can't really upload every single day. Not that I'm saying mine are good, but I'm just making a point. Wonder if I'd be allowed to sue if I got hit with a golf ball. I mean, I don't see why not, because if I'm on a public road, it's not like I'm accepting the risk just by driving past, because like, what if I have to go somewhere that's down here? So like, I don't have a choice, you know? It's not like I'm on the range. I don't know, I'm not gonna sue anyways, but I'm so sick of Facebook Marketplace though. Like, I wanna get everything I have on there right now off, like sold, and then just not use it again. I'm so tired of it. Thank you for not putting grass all over the road. I don't know if you purposely did, but I appreciate it. Oh, we broke 800 subscribers So I made a community post about it, but those usually get very little interaction. So I don't know if like they don't get seen or if people just don't care about community posts. But I made a community post saying thank you guys. So I'll say it in the video too. But I appreciate it a lot. I didn't expect to have that many. So seeing that number is really cool and exciting. So I want to say thank you to everybody that subscribed. I genuinely appreciate it. And it means a lot. Alright, I'm gonna try. There's nobody behind me. Can we open it yet? Literally, why? Look. I don't know how well it's gonna show, but you're kidding me. I don't want to like break the key off in there or something. I should do the trick. That did not do the trick. Alright, that's cool. Guess I'll just plug it in when I get home. I think I know who that is. I've never had that problem before. I've had issues with this being difficult to turn, but you just spray some WD-40 down in there and give her a couple pumps and it works good as new. I don't know if it'll work here too, but I guess I'm gonna have to try it and find out. But I also don't want to spray WD-40 down into my gas tank. I guess I could put the new rectifier in. I was just kindly reminded by my seat heating up to 400 degrees. I didn't want to go this way. Construction. Damn it. I don't really want to quit riding already just because it hasn't been long. The gas light's not on yet, so I guess I'm going to send it. Oh, I am so dumb. Oh my. I literally came this way to avoid the construction, then I turned to go right into it. Dude, I hate myself so much. I will probably be here the next 10 minutes. But lucky for you guys, it's going to be like 5 seconds. So before you even know it, I'll be somewhere else. If this guy ever gets across the intersection. Holy shit, look at that. The light's already changing. And I didn't get to go. So I just thought about what I'm going to make the title for this video. And before, if anybody's like me, you're probably going to read the title and say, oh, that's not the quote. It ain't got no gas in it. Yes, I'm very much aware. But it does have gas in it. I just can't get gas in it. So that's why it's going to be said title. I should probably do something about that. I just got the urge to go onto the sidewalk. I'm not going to, but I really want to. Like, there's so many opportunities to do it. I won't. Fuck! Damn it! I'm so mad. I went this way because I was trying to avoid construction, and I can't. Would you go? Stop inching forward and just go. Make up your mind. Oh, I'm so angry. Please turn left or go straight. Please. Left or straight. Please. 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 Dude, no. Absolutely not. I was gonna go that way. Not anymore. What are you doing? Now they're just not even in a lane. Nice. Well, sorry, they're in the wrong lane. And they're just sitting here blocking. Oh, the gas light's on. There it is. Well, you know what we're going to do about that? Nothing. Because I can't. I literally can't. Well, that might be the end of the channel now. Because I can't put gas in the bike, so. I'm going to wrap this one up. I'm going to try to get gas. I don't plan on it, but I'll attempt to. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was entertaining. And I'll see you if I ever get to go riding again. However, I open up this gas cap.
12 seconds later.
Let's go.